Hey, I'm Rory, aka the Guitar Ninja, and welcome to the playthrough video for the end of June's Riff of the Weeks. This one's a great one for you to check out if you're not sure if you're quite beginner, intermediate or advanced. We're going to go through each of the three sections now over the backing track to show you what that is. So from this video there is already the backing track, the beginner, intermediate and advanced lessons available, so check them out, subscribe if you haven't already, consider the thumbs up, and let me know if there's anything you'd like me to cover in future videos in the comments section. Check out the Guitar Ninja Academy if you want to learn more, but let's just jump into the playthrough. Actually, before we do, this is going to be one of the hardest playthroughs I've done, because jumping from the beginner to the intermediate to the advanced and putting them all in one go without going wrong, I'm going to struggle with this, I think, even myself, because I decided to make the advanced one quite a challenge, but let's see how we go. That is a challenge, definitely a challenge. Those advanced bits are hard enough by themselves, but trying to go straight from intermediate into them and not making a mistake, that was a challenge. Anyway, so that is the playthrough. The first couple of things you saw me play were the beginner riff of the week, which there is a lesson in the description below. There'll be a link if you're on YouTube to the beginner, the intermediate and the advanced. So you can check those out along with the backing track that you can play these over, or even just jam your own style, improvise over the top of. If you are checking this out on the Guitar Ninja Academy, then you can see all of the videos straight away. There'll be a June playlist that you can check out under the Riff of the Week section. So that is my Riff of the Weeks for the whole of June. That is now February, March, April, May and June. So that is my 5th month in a row of doing this exact style. Backing track, beginner, intermediate, advanced and playthrough. So you can check all of those out on the Academy now, completely free, or on the YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, do it. Give us that thumbs up. Leave a comment below if there's anything you'd like me to cover style-wise, techniques-wise, tips that you struggle with for future Riff of the Week videos, and I'll make sure to copy those in. If you're watching this on the Academy, your comment section is called the feedback section, which you can use down below as well. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please check out the Guitar Ninja for more awesome stuff, and I'll see you in another video. I'll see you in another video soon. Cheers, bye!